love Takashi, Inui. Yay! Nice dribble, nice shoot, nice goal.
I like Takashi Inui because he is very good at dribbling. I'm not good at playing football, but I want to play football like Inui. I love Inui very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Very easy.
I can speak English a little. Alpha Evan, Alpha Takashi. Yeah.